A fire water tank is not just a storage unit, it's a lifeline during emergencies. But did you know that its design and size must meet strict UAE fire and life safety code requirements? Let's dive into the key regulations you need to follow. Key requirement number 1: dual compartments for maintenance. Fire water tanks must have two internal equal compartments connected with isolation valves. This allows cleaning and maintenance without compromising the total water reserve, ensuring continuous fire protection. Key requirement number 2: pump suction from both compartments. Fire pumps must draw water from both compartments through a common header. This ensures consistent water flow and avoids system failure during firefighting operations. Key requirement number 3: tank sizing must follow code standards. Fire water tank sizes must be based on fire pump capacity, required duration of water supply. Proper sizing ensures enough water supply during emergencies. Key requirement number 4: fire water tanks can be combined with domestic water, but with conditions. A fire water tank can be combined with a domestic water supply only if the required fire water capacity is always maintained. This prevents any risk of fire water depletion due to daily domestic use.